Hello friends, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain IndiaEthnicOnline.com reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned and let's get started. So guys, it is an online fashion store that mainly deals in fashion for girls including saris, lehengas, kurtis, gowns, salwar suits, etc. You can take a look at the homepage of this website and the prices of these offerings are quite reasonable. So you can find your desired option just by visiting the page. Now let's talk about the payment methods. So guys, you can see the modes of payment available on the website are Amex, MasterCard and Visa. Now coming to the shipping information. According to the website details guys, there are two types of shipping which are standard courier and international deliveries. And the standard courier duration is 5 working days to reach you from the time of order, and international deliveries, the time taken is dependent on companies, logistics partners and their affiliates. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, it is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe. And when it comes to the domain information, the domain name was created on 24th of Jan 2020 and it is 6 years, 7 months, it is 7 months, 25 days old website. And so we can't judge its legitimacy on few factors. Now let's take a look at the About Us section to know more about this website. So guys, you can see there is no About Us section, which is a bad sign and makes the website quite suspicious. Anyways, let's take a look at the Contact Us information. So guys, you can see they have not provided their contact details like official address and contact number. An email address is given, which is a normal Gmail ID, that is indianethniconline@gmail.com, and this email ID matches with the domain name. Now let's talk about social media presence. So you can take a look at the social media icons available on this website. And the site has social media presence on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, etc. But guys, these accounts are not completely fulfilled and are not legit as well. Talking about the return and exchanges guys, all exchanges and returns would need to be raised within 10 days of the invoice date for India orders and 20 days for overseas orders. You can read the entire policy for your knowledge, and guys, do comment about your experience and refund or return of the product as well. And coming to the customer reviews guys, we have found an ample number of customer complaints about this website. One customer said that I made payment on this site but didn't receive any confirmation nor the kurtis. And guys, another customer said the kurti which she has ordered is not that kurti which she ordered. So I think these complaints shows that the website is a scam website. So I would suggest never go with such type of websites. You should stay away from such type of scam websites. And guys, in the final conclusions, absence of contact address, absence on social networking sites, unavailability of companies' information, poor design of website led to believe us that it is a suspicious site and possibly a scam. And in case if you have ever scammed, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting Make a wise decision. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and at the last, thanks for giving your precious time, guys. Have a good day.